call me a cop?
You definitely a cop.
Ain't no cop, he's my nephew.
Well, the dude is definitely bad luck. I don't know what he is to you. He's bad luck to me.
Bad luck? I'll tell you it's bad luck. My friend's in a prison body shop fixing all the cars that he smashed that day because you had to fuck around. This guy's a clown.
Hey, wait a second.
What the fucking cop?
Check it out, man. You ain't no cop. If he ain't a cop, why won't they let me frisk him then?
Cut the
Look,
Look, I got 1,000 blank American Express cards right now, gold. You got the money? You want to do business or what?
I have the money and I do want to do business, but with you, I ain't doing nothing in front of this dude. This dude is a cop. I know when I can smell a pig inside the room. I used to be a Muslim, man, and I know that's pork over here. Yeah, pork. It's definitely pork. I ain't doing shit around this dude, man. You want to do business? You know where to find me. Man.